So in today's video, we're finally going to look at Greg the Zombie. So thank you for clicking on this video, brought to you by Backyard Zombie. Today we're going to do a review of Greg the Zombie, who is right here. This is my plush Greg the Zombie. I got him earlier this year, and I've been waiting to make this video to show him to y'all because I have a very special guest in this video who I think is going to get a kick out of Greg the Zombie. For those of you who don't know, Greg the Zombie is a plush toy that is, it's got a lot of features, believe it or not, for a plushie. This thing is very soft. It's got a lot of good material. It's got these denim pants, these little booties. But as you can see, he is a zombie, and he's got this big brain popping out on his eyeballs. But he has a lot of cool features because if I take my hand here and I reach into his mouth, I can start pulling out some of his body parts. And right there is his heart, which is really cool. This is a plush heart. It's super cool. And then you can rip out his intestines. So you've got his intestines there. Then you reach in, there's nothing else inside of him. But that's not all, people. His brain pops out with his eyeballs. So there's his brain and his eyeballs. Kind of looks like that giant brain from Psycho Goreman. And then you're left with this empty carcass plush doll. And on the inside, he does have some detail. All embroidered detail. It's really cool. Then he's got his tongue, his teeth, and then he's got this basically empty cavity for his body parts. So let's put them back together and take an even closer look at this Greg the Zombie. So, Greg the Zombie was created by the Never Stop Creating design company owned by Greg Wolf. Greg was very inspired by toys from that, like back in the 80s, like My Pet Monster and Nickelodeon toys, to create this guy. So as you can see, the detail on him is very fun. He has these separated teeth, the tongue. Right there is like this little latch that you can kind of hide the inside of the pocket where all of the brain and the intestines are held. He's got this little belt, and he's very soft. He's 2 feet tall. This guy's 2 feet tall, and he's just so fun. But as you can see, like all the detail on right here is embroidered. This guy's name is actually the Rad Rodder. I got this guy for about $65. The regular Greg, which is blue, retails for about $60, and they all range. They have mini ones, pink ones, green ones, furry ones, tiny ones, big ones, as I said. But I got this guy because I just thought he looked really cool. I really want to get the slime edition, though, because that thing's green, and I love green zombies. And now, I'm going to bring in my very special guest, my goddaughter Lily, to see what she thinks of Greg the Zombie. So let's go. Hi everybody, this is my goddaughter Lily.
Hi.
Lily, are you ready for a big surprise? All right, 1 second, I'm gonna grab the big surprise and get her reaction. So Lily, this is my friend Greg. What do you think of Greg? Want to hold him? All right, now, what do you think? Can you do me a favor? Can you stick your hand in his mouth? Nope, you gotta reach in. Turn him around, and reach into it and start pulling stuff out of his head. Go ahead, pull it out. You pulled out his heart! Isn't that fun? All right, there's one more thing inside of him. You want me to hold that for you? I'll take that. All right, now reach in. There's something else in there. It's his intestines! Keep pulling it out. Keep pulling it. It all comes out. It's so... All right, I think he's empty, but I don't think we're done yet. Can you do me a favor? Can you grab his brain? Pull his brain out. Pull his brain out. Pull his brain out. Oh, wait. Gotta pull his eyeball out. Boop. Gotta pull his other eye out. Boop. You're not holding his brain. And see, look. He's all empty now. What do you think? Do you think this is fun? It's very weird. Want to hold him? All right, now say bye to the camera. Actually, before we say goodbye, what do you think of Greg?
Cool.
He's cool, yeah. You think he's weird? You want to take him home with you? Good, because he's going home with you today. All right, guys. We're gonna see what some of my other nieces and nephews think of Greg here in just a second. So stay tuned.
I know. My name is Greg. Okay, I punch you out. Pull me out. Pull my hair down. No! Look. Here you go. No, Nero. Can I watch a movie now?
Yeah, you can go watch a movie.
Riley, I do. No.
So, Lily, what do you think of Greg the Zombie?
I think
Also, that's a really cool t-shirt. Can I see that? Backyard Zombie! That's a sweet t-shirt.
yeah.
So, Lily, do you like Greg?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Greg's really cool, and we had a really good time looking at Greg, and we will see you all in the next video. So, bye!
Bye.
Gotta wave.